Welcome back to my channel, Cooking with India. But before I get started, if you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe, hit the like button, as well as leaving a comment down below if you like. And please, as always, do not forget to hit the bell notification. Now let's get to it. Here I have some chicken jumbo franks hot dogs. What you see me doing here with the chicken hot dogs is slicing them all straight down the middle. Here I have a skillet with ridges on it. On the skillet, I had sprayed some canola oil spray. This is the canola oil spray I used. I'm going to go ahead and place on the skillet the hot dogs that I cut in half. Here's how they're looking. Now, what I'm going to go ahead and do is slice some ridges across each hot dog. I mean, you could do as many as you like. I'm going to do like 3 of them on each. Here I have a bowl that I pre-washed already, and in this bowl I'm going to start placing in the eggs. Now I'm going to go ahead and season my eggs. I'm going to season my eggs with some garlic powder, some salt, and some black pepper. I'm going to also add to the eggs some milk. Time to mix everything together. And this is how the eggs should be looking. Now it's time to flip each hot dogs to the other side. It's time to start the eggs, and I'm going to first start off by placing some canola oil into the pan. I'm going to then go ahead and spread the oil around the pan. I'm going to go ahead and start putting in the eggs into the pan. As such, give it a little mixture. eggs are all done. So here's the pancake mix. All I added into the mix was cold water. Here I have a flat skillet, and on the skillet I have some butter. Now I'm going to start pouring in the pancake batter. I'm going to do 4 at a time. Time to flip the pancakes over to the other side. Look how beautiful they're coming out. The color is literally amazing. Nice and golden brown. The smell is even better. Last but not least is the toasted bread. Toasted bread all done. Chicken hot dogs all done. Can't forget about that close-up. And remember, always put God first.